Hello everyone. Today we will see the forces acting on an aircraft. Let us see. Forces acting on an aircraft. This is an aircraft, we all know, and we have seen all the parts in our previous video. Now, let us see what are all the forces acting on it. There are four basic forces acting on an aircraft, and the directions of the forces are shown. Now let us see what each direction indicates. So the upward direction here indicates the lift. The left side direction that indicates the thrust. The downward direction indicates the weight. And the backward direction indicates the drag. Now let us see this each force and know about it. So first here I'm going to show you about lift of an aircraft. So this is how an aircraft lifts. You'll be seeing in the video now. Yes. So what does that mean? That means aircraft climbs up when the lift increases. Now we will see another force, that is the weight. When the weight increases, see the aircraft is coming down. That is, aircraft climbs down when the weight increases. Now let us see the next one. Here is the thrust. The aircraft is moving forward. That is, aircraft accelerates when the thrust increases. Now another. This is the drag force. Aircraft is drawn by the drag. That is, aircraft decelerates when the drag increases. So that was all about today's video. Once we'll cover up what we have seen. So these are the basic forces acting on an aircraft. And we can conclude this video here. So thank you everyone.